Dental insurance is often misunderstood as full dental care coverage, but it's actually just a benefit plan with limits. I like to think of it as a rebate or a bonus. Most plans are structured into preventative, basic, and major care. Preventive services like cleanings and exams are the most frequently covered services, but not always completely. It's a benefit, remember, not complete coverage. Here's another place where people get confused. Dentists may recommend treatments that focus on prevention or root cause care, things like early gum therapy and ozone, advanced imaging like cone beam CT scans or biomimetic materials, and more conservative choices including onlays. These may not always be covered because insurance relies on standardized coding and often only pays for procedures they define as necessary under their guidelines. That doesn't mean the care isn't important. It just means insurance benefits don't always cover optimal health. Holistic or biologic dentistry focuses more on prevention, whole body connection, and preserving natural tooth structure. While some of these approaches are still gaining recognition in traditional insurance systems, healthcare overall is a little slower at shifting toward prevention and earlier intervention. So, what can you do? First, don't just ask, is this covered? Ask, why are you recommending this for my health? And can I get some insurance benefit for it? Second, request a treatment breakdown so you understand what's preventive, what's necessary, and what's optional. And third, stay proactive. Small preventive steps now almost always reduce bigger treatment later. If this helps simplify dental insurance, follow me for more real-world dental health education. And if you're ever unsure about your insurance or what care is right for you, you can contact us at Total Care Dental and Wellness to talk through your options, or explore the dentist directory on Living Well with Dr. Michelle to find a provider who aligns with a prevention-focused, whole-body approach. Send this to someone who's ever been confused by a dental bill, because that's my mission, to help you.